Oh shit! I just got caught. All right. Okay.
Now everyone is ready.
Oh, God.
Yeah, you better back up a little bit more, man.
Okay. So this one is here.
No fear.
Oh, I just got caught. All right. What's up, everyone? I watch PewDiePie oldest video over here. PewDiePie montages. So yeah. I grew up on this in 2014, I guess. Oh, it's 2013. Yeah, it's 2013, of course. June 4th, 2013. This is the oldest video that I watched when Pewd was a 8 million subscribers. 8 million subscribers in that time, and yeah, it's turned off. It is turned off, and the classic description for Broface over here. Yeah, it's really nostalgic. It's really nostalgic, of course, because all of those videos was really fun. Was really fun to watch, and PewDiePie was a really good person. Was a really perfect person in this. And he gets 10 billion subscribers in uh 10 billion subscribers in the another 1 year or something like that. It's really grow up. It's really grow up, and I grow with this, and I grow with this. I grow with this funny montage from Pewds in 2013 when I was in the what is it working? Is that working? Yeah, is it really working now? In I don't know. It's what is it spelled? What is it spelled? Is that in the what is magang though? You know what is a magang? Yeah, internship. Yes. When I was in internship with the other company, just I love the code, and with software development, I had this software development and I get paid. Yeah, I watched the PewDiePie when I was in 2013. Of course, yes, it's 2013. It's 2013 right now. So I grew up so fast, man. It's now in 2020. No, it's 2020. When I was get a girlfriend, of course, in the 2013, of course, and watch the Buttes videos when I get bored. And PewDiePie was the one who gets my mood so quickly fast. Was my good mood, something like that. Yeah, it's something like that. Okay, so now, I'm talking about my channels right now. Yeah, it's 70 subscribers, 17 subscribers, of course, because I don't have any content right now. I don't have any content, and I upload some YouTube videos in 2011. If you not believe, I'm gonna show you guys, and join October 11th to October 9th, 2011, of course. Yeah, it's a 2011, same as Buttes. As you can see here, as you can see, I was same as the compare the PewDiePie, of course. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, fans. YouTube, PewDiePie fan. I was a PewDiePie fan when I was in 2013, of course, because they have because Buttes reacting the Indonesian game called Red Out, and it's read out demo, of course, something like that. I forget it. Okay, so I'm just gonna set the CMD, of course. Set video CMDs. I'm gonna do the ping. No, 01811 dash D. Of course, yeah. It's really interesting me so much. Yeah, it's took so much. I think there's some uploading right now, so yeah, okay. So now, uh, I'm gonna share to you guys. I hit 1 million subscribers, 10 years of YouTube uploads, 2010 and now 2020. Yeah, it's 10 videos. No, built in 2010, of course. Yeah, 1 year later. Yeah, something like that. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna talk about my videos that I disappeared when. Okay, so I do uploads when I was in 2011, and I made some videos in in my YouTube channel. I called the torrent. I got a torrent video called afistas.to in that day, and it has 5 million. It has 5,000 subscribers, and my Twitter just get blow up because of that video. As you can see here, my profile. Oh, yeah, Jun saw me over there. Oh, hi. I react that I visit the YouTube. I visit her. I visit her photos or something like that. Okay, so join August in 2011. Yeah, my follower just blown up over my follower just blown up because of that video. Because of that video, I have 5,000 subscribers, and and my Twitter just get blow up over there, and yeah, it's crazy. It's really crazy because in that day when I was in when I was in senior when I was in high school, I was the one who just got the 800 subscribers. No, it's 800 followers, 800 followers, something like that. It's really mixed. It's really makes me. It's crazy. It's crazy. When I was in senior, when I was in high school, I was the one who just gets 100 subscriber, 100 followers in that day, because of that video, and then it's really crazy. It's really crazy. It's really mesmerizing me so much because is it real or something like that? Is it? I don't know. It's a fake. I think it's a fake because all of the organic videos organic views that that I get in that video was a really torrent that everyone confused about because avistas.to was a really uh, illegal website. I think it's illegal website because they had torrents for the YouTube videos or something like that, because of the YouTube or a serial drama or all of the drama out of the batch. Um it's really the apa namanya fucking hell, man. No, it's I do look at the Indonesian, of course, because it's really confusing me so much. And okay, so it's really complete. It's really because the Afisa Tutorial was a really complete website. It's complete website and the torrent website because they had the Afisas.to because TO beats torrent in the domain right now. So in other reasons why it has 5,000 subscribe 5,000 views because Afisas.to has the feature that you can absolutely seeds the torrent first when you download it, and I because I found a glitch. I found a glitch that everyone does who making some torrent videos, making some a good reasons to not to seed because it tells you to seed the torrents, and then I make the glitch that when you download the torrent it no longer seed needed anymore. Because of that. All right, so I called my software called the bit called only torrents or below torrents, something like that. I forget because my older computer was a really was broke in that, and my all of my data was gone. I think it's gone. Yeah, it's gone because all of the all hard disk is not needed anymore. It's not really needed because my hard disk was broke. was my was what my data was broke in that day, and was broke in that day, and then it feels scary me so much. And then in 2016, I visit my YouTube once again. I think it's 2013. I think it's 2014 or 2016, because my videos was because my videos was automatically done and automatically gone, because I don't know, one of the reasons why I do not uh delete all of my videos, because all of my videos was really uncopyrighted, because really copyrighted, and I want to take down, because because takedown is needed, because all the videos all of my old videos was copyrighted, and it's really it really disappointed me so much, because that is my old video that everyone who wants to make a YouTube video, something like that, it's really copyrighted, and I decided to delete that. It's really disappointed me so much, because of YouTube copyrighted. So yeah, yeah, it's because all of the reasons I'm using my YouTube right now, because I don't really I do I really hate YouTube so much, man. I really hate YouTube so much, because all of my channels was really broke in that day, was really broke. They had 17 subscribers, of course, because of my YouTube. Yeah, it's I'm going to make a content called my content of my YouTube called GTA San Andreas, and my code when I'm working. Yeah, it's OBS Studio push to GitHub over here, such as over here, and 14 views push to GitHub, because the tutorials had that one comment, of course, and this is the one live. Yeah, it's 1 minute in 1 minute only. Yeah, 1 minute or was what I because something like that. Yeah. All of the videos, all of my videos are recorded with my in my laptop, on my laptop, with my laptop, of course. Yeah, it's really interesting me. Because it's really makes me mesmerizing me so much, because of that. All right. So yeah, there's a trivia of them on my thoughts about Edge, something like that. Yeah, it's really interest me so much, because of that. Right. Um. Okay. So my friend just okay. So my friends uh chat me so much. Okay. So hold on. Okay. So just hold on a minute. Oh, it's really so much. It's really too much, man. Okay. So wait a second. I just screenshot my wait a second. Okay, so over here, and it's over here, I think. Yes. Crop, save, send to my friend, send to my lover. Yeah. Send to my lover. Um, Yeah. All right. I think this is gonna be good. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's fine. Oh, very nice for me though. Oh, there's a Kimi human. Whoa, oh, 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 shit. All right. So yeah, this is my YouTube channel over here. So I'm going to live. So I'm really needed. I'm really want to live right now because all of my YouTube, all of the streamers just got live streams, something like that. Yeah, yeah, it's really needed for live stream, and I really want to this right now. I want to live over here. I really want to live streams. So I don't have any connection needed to making something like that. Yeah, my hair just broke in that because this one. Yep, here we go. So as you can see, yeah, something like that. All right. So I'm just gonna get to the code right now, because of my developing my because of Tailwind CSS. All right. So all we're gonna do is really wanted to make a Tailwind CSS. I don't have any resources anymore because they have it. And this is data toggle ref. You know that. Hmm. Interesting. All right. Okay. So we're gonna do. So we're gonna do have a new window, of course. Because of new window, and I'm gonna minimize this one because of my projects over there. And I'm gonna trying the Tailwind CSS. Yeah, of course it's the Tailwind CSS, right? An utility first framework for rapidly interesting one. So I'm gonna put this one at the utility framework for rapidly building custom designs. Yay! Okay, so um, so I think I'm gonna delete this one up, hide this one, um, because delete. Yep, here we go. So yes, this is the Tailwind CSS. And how do I install it? So this one it's called Tailwind CSS. That's really interesting me so much. Yeah, because Tailwind CSS was CSS framework because it is relative CSS because it's relative. I don't know. Is a relative of what? Something like that. I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna change this to editor layout. No. Uh, Move sidebar right. Here we go. So I'm gonna make directory for my CMD. Yep. Here we go. Mm, Ribbon, lib, belajar Tailwind. Yeah, it's belajar Tailwind. Okay, so Tailwind CSS. No, make dir Tailwind uh, cd Tailwind CSS touch index.html. Now, no, there is not touch. What? Okay, so I'm gonna code because I close this one because I really bad at that. Bad really at that. Okay, so we're gonna do read the documentation first. Tailwind via npm. you can add Tailwind to your CSS. Okay. So I'm gonna change the theme. So I hide first because the Explorer. New file index.html, and I'm gonna do new file. Oh, we're gonna do make a folder first. It took so long. Alright, asset, and in a new folder called the style. CSS. Yeah, here we go. So all we're gonna do is the index.html over here, and we're gonna do the npm install tailwind dash css. Yeah, is that working? Does that work? No? Yep. Is tailwind dash css. Yeah, my friend just messaged me again. Mm, I'm gonna forward. Box too. Okay, so they didn't have oh yeah, there's no stripe. There is no dash. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for the moment. And when I'm waiting, I'm use this where is it? Mm, view contact, share over here, and oh, no, why I call her? No. Mm, okay. All right. Install Tailwind CSS. Of course, yes. Okay. Shit. I'm gonna share it to mine right now. Yeah. Let's see. We go, ladies. All right. So, if you had anyone, just index the email. So assets over here. So we're gonna do styles, then no, what kit, something like that. I forget which one. Tailwind base. Yes, it's a Tailwind base. Tailwind. Tailwind base, comma, Tailwind component, and Tailwind. Tailwind. I forget which one. I put Tailwind utilities. So I'm going to change this font. Change this font size. We're gonna do FB16, of course. Yes. Here we go. That is so better. Yeah. Here we go. That we CSS. Then we snap. Then we snap. Okay. If you're using for CSS import, such as Webpack for Rails, user import. Okay, so this is the optional. Then we snap the directive out the build time of generated CSS. Create your Tailwind config file. Optional. Why this is optional? Because it's really huh, damn it. Okay. So let's take a look at this one first. Alright, so we're gonna do npm init. Alright, so npm init, npx tailwind css init. Okay, it's really interesting me so much because they had the tailwind over here, so it's called, because it's really not called the tailwind config.js. Alright, so they have it. Tailwind CSS 1.8.10, create Tailwind config file, tailwind.config.js over here. Alright. So, what's next? Tailwind CSS. Okay, so using Tailwind with post CSS. Plugins require. Is that real? No. Yep, auto prefix, sure. It's not in comma. Yeah. Yep. Here we go. So, that's really nice. Okay. Okay. You can customize Tailwind default theme. I can do the right thing. Okay, so that's it. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. How do I install that? Okay, this is okay. That's interesting me so much. So I have a bookmarks. Yep, for absolute beginners over there. So I'm using Firefox. Because Chrome sucks. Yeah, that's it. npm init y. Okay, so Okay, so Tailwind CSS, of course, in package.json. Hey! All right. So processing with TLS, npm install post CSS CLI auto prefixer. Yeah, I'm gonna do the install npm install post CSS auto prefixer. Yeah. Oh, I do have it. Yeah, I do have it. Yeah, I do have it. That means config.js. Yeah, it's really config.js right now. Auto prefixer was not really. Don't have it. I don't have it. Yeah. Build. In the package, it's the following build script. Build post CSS. Build over here. You test and build. I think it's common here. Adding some commas. Go and build. I think it's a string. I think it's a string, of course. Yeah, that's a string. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this. Um, so paste it to my code. Paste it to my code here. And if you have it, just add the comma at the end. Here we go. Creating an index file. npm run build. All right. So we're gonna do. Um, so we're gonna do. Check this one. npm. Okay, so there's no comma in there. Yeah, it's a comma. All right. So we're gonna do npm run build. Is it gonna be awesome? Post CSS. CSS build styles.css. Okay, so there's an error in here. What is it error? Yeah, it's assets. It's not in the sets. Yeah, it's assets. Build dot style. O. It's O. Is that what is O mean? Don't know. Okay. So we're gonna do npm run build. So it's an assets. Assets build the CSS. Post CSS is not recognized. It's not recognized as an internal or external command. What? There is no. Post CSS. The CLI. Oh yeah, it's really an error in there. So I just gonna not pm install post css.cli auto prefixer. Yep, that is that is my mistakes. That is my mistakes over there. So I'm just gonna take this one out over here and build the CSS npm run build, creating an indexing file. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it soon. So I'm just gonna try it and every npm run build right now. So just gonna make a difference. Um, yeah, it's really good though. Is it really good? Yeah, it's really good. So what is run out? It's 3440. So I'm just gonna yeah, it's really good. And now I think I'm gonna no, is that my OBS? That's my OBS right now. So okay, the Tailwind CSS. Okay, so it's done. It's finished. I'm gonna set to this one and npm run build. Yep, it's gonna be npm run build. You did not set any plugins part or string you for right now. PostCSS does nothing. Pick plugins for your case. PostCSS part and use them in process.css config.js. Of course, it's a build over here. So the styles of CSS. Okay, so I'm gonna. You did not set any plugins, parser or stringifier. Right now, PostCSS does nothing. Pick plugins for your case on postcss.parts and use them in postcss config.js. Postcss. What is that? What is that? Oh, that's really nice for me. You did not set. You did not set any plugins. Plugins parser stringifier. Right now, postcss does nothing. Pick plugins for your case of postcss.parts. Oh yeah, that's my internal keyboard, of course. Okay, so I'm gonna set this. Copy this one to process.parts. What is that? So for also consists HTML file needed to build or your custom HTML code includes build styles.css. Let's create a new file index.html for it's in the build folder and set the following HTML code as starting point. Alright, so we're gonna do index.html. I think I had it. Yes, it's because I had it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna line it's I think I get to 25 for long. That's it. Yeah, it's 25, doesn't it? Oh, it's settings. It's 30. I think I'll set to 30, of course. Yeah, it's really good. It's really good. All right. So we're gonna do set. I think I'm going to post CSS. All right. So we're gonna do search SVG pack SAS shortcuts analysis color station fallback tone grid others pack. I think it's pack. I think it's ACCSS is nano single line SCSS slow oldie styling. Oh, what the hell is this? Analysis color debug extension. I think it's font. Yeah, font awesome. That's nice. Alright, so there is completely I confused. I'm really confused. What the hell is this? This is the post CSS part. A searchable catalog for CSS plugins. Wow, there's so many of them. Okay. Using Lifesaver. Finally, we are ready to set up a web browser npm install -g. Okay, so npm install live. Okay, so there is so many installations that we have for the Tailwind CSS. Why does TikTok so
Oh ya ya, ya kasih tahu Mita dulu. Yuk yuk yuk. Yang, sayang. Ya sabar aku masih nyapu. Yang, arisan keluarga dimajuin nih. Kapan? Hari ini. Ya kenapa? Udah 2 jam lagi yang. Aduh, yang kenapa aku dipukul? Kenapa kamu baru ngasih tahu? Udah, kamu mandi lu, sabar. Aku Tunas betah. Enak no. Enak. Bermenit-menit kemudian. Kegantengan ini tak bisa diragukan. Wangi apa nih? Wangi cool lah, kan aku baru selesai duluran pakai Whoopsie Beauty.
Oh, what the fuck? That's a fucking endorsement. Jesus fucking Christ. Ugh. Okay, so this is a listing directory. What is happening? Start with the CSS. Oh. Is that work? Is that not work? What does this tutorial means? Okay. Oh. Build styles. CSS. Okay. So no, that's not it. So it's in the assets styles the CSS, of course. No. It's a listing directory. What? How? Insert the following content into the new file. I'm done with it. Why? Okay, so there's this no, there's no results. It's a listing directory, of course, because it's a listing directory. What the hell? I think I forget something. Ref styles to CSS. 3 problems in this style. Unknown at rule. Tailwind to CSS. Unknown. What is unknown at? This is why you don't. Post CSS language support. There you go. Fetur. Yeah, that's a front end language. Styles to CSS. Tailwind base. Tailwind component. Tailwind utilities. Okay, so I think that's it. So I'm gonna read. So I'm gonna change this. Yeah, it's a listing directory. What the hell? That is styles.css. I think it's complicated because I had assets. Is that assets going to be this one? And go to the style.css build. Why is no one's here? B. So I'm gonna build. Think that's it. Style.css. Yep. Oh. Yeah, it's a listing directory, of course. Why this listing directory? There's an error in there. Why this one needed? They had I have node modules. I have packets.lock the JSON. I think I'm gonna build once again. I think I'm gonna delete everything. I'm gonna restore. Yeah, it's really lame for loads. Yep, storage space may running out because of my videos. Okay. All right. So I think I'm gonna restore that. Where is my recycle bin? All right. So here we go. Let's see. Let's find it. I'll build the CSS. I think I'm going to make that one first because it makes me crazy as hell. Tailwind base, Tailwind component, Tailwind utilities. Ah, God, makes me wild so much. So I'm gonna change this npm run build right now. You did not set any plugin for source signifier. Post CSS and post CSS config.js. Post css.config.js. Where is it? I got theme. I think I'm going to make some theme right now. So post css.parse. Post css.parse. Yeah, a searchable catalog of CSS plugins. All right, so we're gonna do theme. Where's the theme? Class prefix, perfectionist, browser reporter. Ugh. Fallbacks, analyzes color. I don't want colors. Feature. What is feature? Hamster. What is hamster though? Optimizations. Back. I don't know. Theme. Yeah. npm install post css post css save.
Repotin kan? Order ding mengoleh.
Post css theme path. Oh my god, there's so many code that I wanted. What the hell? There is no post CSS. Wow. I think in the webpack right now. So webpack the Tailwind the config the JS. Over here we're gonna do something like import. Yeah, we're gonna do some import theme from is that it? There's no comma. Module exports. Is that it? Plugins post CSS function. Post. So I think yeah. CSS function. Ah, yeah, there's no theme path. I don't know where is my theme path. Ah, not modules for CSS. Where is it? I don't know. Ah. Okay, so that's it.